Welcome to Word 360.
Episode number 10. Today's word, scurrilous. Have you ever heard someone say something super mean or rude? Maybe scurrilous is the word you need. Let's explore it together. So, what does scurrilous mean? It's an adjective, a word that describes something, like big or soft. Scurrilous means something insulting, abusive, or vulgar, especially when it's meant to hurt someone's reputation. Think of nasty rumors or offensive words, that's scurrilous. Here are some examples of scurrilous in action. Example 1. Senator Smith was upset by scurrilous rumors spread by his rival, saying he stole money from his campaign. Example 2. Emma felt sad when trolls left scurrilous comments on her photo, calling her mean names. Example 3. Mark got in trouble for sending a scurrilous email about his boss, calling him lazy. Example 4. In 1776, Thomas Paine wrote scurrilous pamphlets telling people to fight against British rulers. Synonyms: rude, insulting. Antonyms: polite, respectful, kind. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment with words you want to learn. See you next time.